Happy Administrative Professionals Day, otherwise known as Happy Secretary's Day or Administrative Assistants Day, whatever it's called. I want to thank you, and in doing so, I'm going to show a quick video of what my assistant Jessica does for me. I know that you do all sorts of things behind the scenes for your people, and I want to thank you on behalf of everybody who uses amazing professional, administrative, secretarial assistants, whatever we're called. Thank you. Thank you so much for what you do.
Good morning. You're on video.
Oh, hi.
But you have to be quiet because Marty's here.
Oh, okay. Well, good morning.
Is the car service here yet?
The car service is here.
Okay. Is your stuff in it?
My stuff's in the car.
Okay.
Ready to go.
Yeah. All right. I'll be right there.
Okay.
Do you have business cards?
Yes.
Okay.
Business card.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Jessica. What's the schedule?
Oh, the schedule is that you are on at KTLA at 9:15. We'll wrap it up at 9:30, and then we're in the car at 9:45 to head over to iHeartRadio.
Jessica, what are you working on?
This month's newsletter.
You're doing it in the car?
Yes.
Well, why?
Well, because we're always on the go. We're busy, crazy people. We got to get stuff done.
Excuse us. What are you doing?
Can you see I'm busy working for Dorothy?
I'm wondering if we can have permission to do a little project.
Denied.
I hate it when you're busy. Hey, Jessica.
Hey, Dorothy.
What you working on?
I am mailing out some of your stuff your face autograph books.
So, did you get all that? Yeah, that's just one day in the life of an administrative assistant. And I know all of you do amazing things out there. So go forth and enjoy your day. And thanks again. You want to get organized? Come visit me at dorothytheorganizer.com. Thanks for watching me on YouTube, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.